Welcome back to Physics Units Explained. In this episode, we'll explore the ampere, the fundamental unit of electric current in the International System of Units, or SI. It tells us how much electric charge flows through a circuit in 1 second. At its core, an electric current is simply the flow of charged particles, usually electrons, through a conductor such as a wire. 1 ampere means that 1 coulomb of charge, about 6.24 times 10 to the 18th electrons, passes through a given point in a circuit each second. The modern definition of ampere no longer depends on measuring forces between wires, as it once did. Instead, it's tied directly to the fundamental constant of nature, the elementary charge. In today's SI system, 1 ampere is the current that corresponds to exactly 1 divided by the elementary charge number of electrons passing a point each second. Currents we use daily vary widely. A phone charger delivers only a few amps, while a household appliance may draw 10 or more. Nature, on the other hand, can unleash enormous currents. A lightning bolt can carry tens of thousands of amperes. The unit is named after André-Marie Ampère, a brilliant French physicist and mathematician. In the early 19th century, he discovered that electric currents could create magnetic fields, linking electricity and magnetism into one unified science. Ampere's work laid the foundation for what we now call electromagnetism, one of the 4 fundamental forces of nature. To summarize, the ampere measures the flow of electric charge. It's defined using the elementary charge of the electron, and it honors the scientist who helped uncover the deep connection between electricity and magnetism, André-Marie Ampère.